mountain. On the north. Grouse. And here's the view, guys. Wait, Philippines! Ay, ganun ka! This time next year, Philippines.
Ay, ikaw din.
Oh, yan na.
Yali na.
Meron na. Ang ganda. Happy girl in Canada. Joy is here. Hello. So, pupunta kami ngayon guys sa snow. Ito yung pinaka-first snow namin ever. Right? Ikaw din?
Yeah.
Kasi, wala lang. Pero last na to. Hindi na kami babalik.
Last na to. Kasi
guys,
pagod na kami
malamig.
next time. Na-anticipate ko na yun.
Hindi ko alam. Actually, na-check mo ba yung weather? Sa snow?
Ay, hindi din.
Hindi din eh.
Basta feeling ko.
Sana hindi masyado malamig. Meatball. Kami sa Lonsdale Quay. Ito yung meme na na di ba ng kahit nasang lupalop man ako ng mundo, basta may kubaw akong makita.
Laban.
Safe. Sushi tayo!
Wait lang, busog ako mare.
Pero gusto ko mag-sushi. We can eat inside. Sushi. I close. Oh my gosh. They have crepe here. Ay, may kebab din pala here. Gusto ko sana mag-sushi, but okay lang. Sige, we can try their pizza. Ito yung Hawaiian. Hindi pala yun Hawaiian. Hawaiian pala siya. Pepperoni. This one is $4, right? A slice. Oh, I see. Okay. Uy, Italian. They have Italian.
I just wanna...
Kung sinong basher ng Hawaiian, I mean, ang pizza na may pineapple. Guys, ito, pwede nyo pang asal sa kanila.
$4. Thanks, Mom.
Pepperoni, guys. Hindi ako kumorder ng Hawaiian.
How was it? Good. Di ba nag-order ka ng drinks? Asan yung drinks mo?
Mahal.
Thank you. Wow, thank you. Baka sweet na. Sorry, kasi ako yung camera mo.
Wait lang. Alam mo ba, sinubuan mo rin ako before ng pizza. Nasa Italianis tayo.
Hindi ko maalala mo.
Sinubuan mo ako ng pizza noon. Oo naman, diba? Hindi ko siya mapipil yung init agad kasi malamig.
Yung hasos ako maaso. Wait lang, yung wrist ko pe.
From Starbucks. This is the first one. The other one? This one is free. Thank you. Pistachio latte. Parang wala sa Philippines yan. Or, wala. Kasi ako nag-Starbucks sa Philippines. Ang ganyan. Pistachio. Parang wala. Is pistachio latte.
What's this?
Sugar?
No, it's not sugar. Ay, pimple patch.
Ito guys. For covering this one.
Pimple patch.
Sorry, wala nga pa sa Pilipinas. Hi, sorry. Where do you use this one? Is this for covering the list? Okay. Thank you. Sobrang sarap, guys. Pistachio latte. Must try. Hindi siya yung super sweet. Alam mo yung tama lang. Pero may hint ng nutty flavor. Na para may pagka-nougat siya.
Vlogger.
Uy,
Food vlogger ka na ba?
Mag-ano ka? Glenn Eats, guys. Glenn Eats. Yes, please. Sa IG. Glenn Eats, as in, ang ganda. This is one for the boys with the bonuses and top down AC with the cool. Skyride. We are guys have souvenir shops here?
Yeah, we have few.
It tends to get really chilly here, especially at night. So what do you do?
Is there any other way that we can get this online, or is so that we can avoid the line, or?
We also have a ticket center open. We have search.
Thanks, Sebastian. Have a good one.
Yeah, let me give you.
I'm with Demi.
Ano yung pinili mo? May ano?
Thank you, sir. Tickets.
We're finally here in Grouse Mountain. This is so cute.
Wait lang. Okay na pala.
Hi guys, we're going up there sa glacier. Pwede na ba itakbahan ako? Uy, shit! Hey guys, we are so high. Go see. Takot tayo. Rides here. Niebe. Alam mo, hindi pa pawisan na.
Ganda.
Oh my gosh, ganda. You're happy because very good weather.
Oh, really? This is a good weather?
Yeah, because
I
it's not
see.
raining.
Oh, yeah, it's not raining.
May oh my god! Guys, my first snow ever! Wow! It's snowing! I'm so happy! It's snowing soon. Wow guys, the weather is perfect. Guys, sobrang ganda. I hope nabibigyan siya ng justice ng camera, but hindi. Pero like in real life, it's really beautiful. Hindi lumulubog yung shoes ko. I'm so happy. Current situation, you guys. Sobrang lamig. Pero sobrang saya. Nag-picture lang kami. Girls being girls. Hi! Happy kid! Here, ayun yung itsura niya. Sobrang nice, guys. And the trees. Ang ganda ng mga puno, guys. Tingnan niyo to. Wait lang. Pinaprotektahan ko siya kasi. So cute! Ang cute! Tingnan niyo. May frog. Wow! You can put here. There's a group of skiers. Is that how you call them, guys? Hindi ko dala yung mic ko. Baka rinig kaya ako. Sure. Caught on cam. Tinawanan niya.
Aray ko, ang sakit sa puwet! Ang sakit!
Ayun. Ganda.
We can go down there. We can roll down.
Tangi, where are we?
Yan, ang ganda, bro. Pause lang, pause lang. Isa pa.
So guys, it's time to say goodbye. We're leaving. We are now leaving this beautiful mountain. Sophia, what can you say?
What can I say? I say nothing.
And then look at that. I mean, look at the view. It's God's creation, guys. Wait lang. So we have to go there para bumaba. Tama ba? Here. There's just a coffee shop here. Overlooking. Now going outside. Is ang bigat. So look at that. Para siyang bed of snow. Ano ba to? Swimming pool ba to? Mamaya swimming pool to. We are going back. Goodbye, grouse.
We're here.
And going down.
Going down. Won't like that. Nose out or hood it down. Never slouch.
It's going down.
I'm yelling timber. You better. You better.
Cool, man. I'm going to be a guide for our... Just a very short moment, going classic. You're going to sway a little bit going through. And if anybody has any questions...
Did you bring it back to the...